Hello guys, welcome to our channel VBA Coder. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the like button if you like the video and share it with your family and friends to expand our knowledge. Today we are going to create a volume open high low close chart in VBA. So we are going to see how to create this chart using VBA Excel. Now, for creating this chart, we require this data, or you can say the structure of the data should be the date, volume, volume number, open numbers, high numbers, low numbers, and close numbers by date. Now, we require this type of, we have to set the data in this type, and then after setting it I will show you how our final chart will look like. So let's have a look at our chart. See, this is how our final chart will look after creating a sub procedure or a code in VBA Excel. Now let's get deep dive into the code and see how we can create this chart using the code. So let's get started. So this is our sub procedure, and we have written our code inside this sub procedure right now. So what we have to do, the first thing is we have to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is our data over here. We have to select any one cell inside this data to create this type of chart. First, as you can see, I'm selecting the D5 cell over here, and then what I'm saying to the VBA editor that okay, active sheet. So this is our active sheet. In the active sheet, we have to activate the shapes, then dot add chart to. So we are adding a chart right now in the active sheets. So after writing this command, this line, I'm opening a bracket over here, and I'm saying, so I'm giving, there are few parameters which we have to give to prepare our chart. First, we have to give our chart value. So each and every chart has its own value, and for our chart, which is volume open high low close chart, we have the value of 322 over here. Now after giving this parameter, we are going to give the type of our chart. So this is in VBA, our chart is called as Excel stock VOHLC. This is the chart type. Now after giving the chart type, I want to mention that what will be my chart height, what is my width, and at what position my chart should be. So in the left and the top. So I have to mention all these parameters inside the add chart to command. After doing it, I have to select this. So we will use select statement over here to select it. After selecting the chart, we will use a with statement to build our chart in an effective way. Now what we will do is we will say with active chart, then we have to say dot set source data. Now we are setting the source data, which means Source data means our entire data for creating the bar chart. So this is C3 to H13. So this is what I have given. So this is our sheet name, and this is our range for setting the source data to creating this stock chart. Now after this we are setting an element. So each and every thing inside the chart is called either a set element, or chart title, or axis. So these are the three main things are there inside the chart. Now first we are setting the source data. After setting the source data, we are setting the element over here. So dot set element over here, MSO element primary value, grid lines none. So what this code is doing, this line is removing our grid lines from the chart. And now we'll see the next one. And we are setting up the another set element to show the data label. So as you can see, these are the data labels. One is 1200, which is showing for the volume, and the rest of the open, high, low, close values over here in each and every bar over inside this chart. So for creating this, we are using dot set element, and we are giving the parameter that okay, I want to see the data label show. I want to see the data labels in my chart. Next element which we will set is to show the data table in our chart. So as you see down in here, we have our data table. So this is the data table, and we have the volume, open, high, low, close data by days, or you can say by date. So to create this table, we have to give this command as dot set element, MSO element, data table with legend keys. So this is used to create this data inside your chart. Now after this, we are going to set another element which will be MSO element up down bar show. What this will do is this will create the up and down bar chart. So as you can see, this is our bar over here. So this is the bar which has been created inside our chart using the command. Now after creating the up and down bars, now we are setting our chart title. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to call dot chart title method and to select. So what we are doing over here, we are selecting our chart title, and then we are assigning a text value to our chart title. So for setting our chart title, we have to give this command as dot chart title dot text equals to then your name of your chart, what name you have to give for your chart. Then next, in the next line, what we are doing is we are removing the grid lines to present our chart more effective way. So to do that, we are calling this method as dot axis, and the axis has two parameters, which is x value comma excel, which is excel value comma excel secondary, dot major grid lines dot delete. So this line of code will delete, even I will mention over here to delete the grid lines in the chart. So this is helpful for deleting the grid lines from the chart. And after doing that, we will format our title inside the chart. To format our chart title, we will create another with statement inside the with statement. So the with statement inside the with statement is called as nested with, and we will be creating the nested with right now. So we will begin. So to format our title chart, we will begin with the with statement. So what this statement will do is with selection dot format dot text frame dot text range dot characters. So what will this will do? This will select the format inside the text frame, which is this, inside our text range. So inside the text range is nothing but the number of characters which you're giving inside your title as a title. So this will select the characters. So these are the characters, even the space includes in these characters. And then what we will be doing is dot text. So what we are doing is we are selecting this text inside our chart title, and then we are formatting its direction. So this will be dot paragraph format dot text direction equals to MSO text direction left to right. So this will align, this will type our text title from left to right, and the next line is the alignment. So this paragraph dot paragraph format dot alignment will align your text, your title in center. Now after that, we are going to perform some style operations inside our title. So for that, what we will be doing is we will say dot font dot bold equal to true. So this will bold our title, and then we will do a italic style, or we will apply a italic style for our title. So for that, we have to use dot font dot italic equals to true. Then we have to close the with statement, which is inside a with statement. So first, this with statement we have to close it over here, and then at last we are closing the main with statement, which is this one over here. After closing it, your chart will be ready. Now after creating your chart, we will be closing our format object using this command, which is application dot command bars, and inside the command bars, what command bar we have to close, we have to give that name. So this is format object dot visible equals to false. So this command will automatically close the command bars, and then to deselect our chart after closing and creating our chart, we have to use range. Over here you can give any empty cell as a range, and you have to select that. So this will deselect your chart, and that's it. Your chart is completely ready. Your chart is completely ready for your visualization, and congratulations, you have created and you have learned how to create a volume open high low close chart in VBA Excel. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends and family to expand our knowledge of VBA programming. And please do comment if you have any doubts or any better idea better than this, and also hit the subscribe button for more such videos. We will meet in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.